Okay. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna wait till I get some people watching here. Alright, I got one person watching. Gonna try this one more time. What's wrong? Is it working? Okay, fantastic. Alright. Let me just share it to my page and then I'll just get started, okay? Okay, so we're going to try this again. Order of adjectives. I'm just going to share it to my page and we'll just get started. Having some technical difficulties, which is never any fun. Okay, here we go. When we first tried to do the video, hold on. Almost here. I'm coming. Share. All right. Okay. So just real quick, when we first tried doing the video, somebody asked about the present perfect tense, and just a little bit of advice that I like to give everybody is to not think about it in terms of perfect, even though there's the word perfect in the tense, with any of the tenses. The perfect comes from the Latin, I believe, perfectum, which means complete. All right, it has nothing to do with being perfect. So if you think about it not as present perfect, but as present complete, it helps you to make much more sense of the tense and the way that it's used. So perfect complete, what does that mean? It's an action that's been completed. Okay, I have done my homework this morning. It's a completed action. Okay, so it's present perfect. Simple as that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started because we lost some time with technical difficulties. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Dimitri. I'm an English teacher. I try to be an English teacher. I do the best that I can. Doesn't always work out that way. Okay, please feel free to comment, to interact. If I say something, if it's too fast or it's unclear, let me know. I'll be happy to slow it down and repeat myself. If you need me to translate something to Italian, there's a good chance it won't be accurate, but I will do my best for you. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the order of adjectives. The order of adjectives. And for that, we have an acronym. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys see this. This is the acronym. I wouldn't know how to say that. NASA comp. You can try and say it. Might be fun for you to try and say. But what is that? What is that? Okay, so basically we break it down. Now, different, I don't know what you would call it, experts in grammar, grammar experts, grammarians, different grammarians have different ideas in how the order is done. Okay. Usually it goes from general to specific, but there is a suggested order, and not too many people are aware of it, and it's not always taught, and so that's why I wanted to talk about it today. But this is it, okay? So number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and pattern. Okay? Now, it's very rare that you're going to use that many adjectives in the same sentence. Okay, maybe never. But just to show that it can be done, I have a sample or an example right here. Okay, a pair of beautiful, small, round, new blue Murano glass earrings. I'm sure everybody here knows, but if there's any of my friends in America who don't know what Murano is, it's something that is very important to the Venetian culture. Okay, it's a small island. I think it's an island. Jeez, I'm ignorant. I'm an ignorant American myself, but it's a small island in Venice where they make glass products. If you go to Venice and you go to the different stores, you're going to see a lot of different glass products, jewelry and things like that, decorations and things like that. So very beautiful. But here you see, let me see if I can hold both of these up at the same time. Here you see the entire order of adjectives, right? So you have, this is not as easy as I thought it would be. Okay, you have number, right? A pair. What is a pair? A pair means two, right? A couple. So a pair is the number, two. Opinion, beautiful, right? That's an opinion. I might think that they're beautiful. You might think that they're ugly. Everybody's entitled to their opinion, right? Size, small, right? Shape, round. Color, no, excuse me. Age, new. Color, blue. Origin, Murano, that's where it came from, that's where it's produced. Material, glass, and the pattern, earrings. Okay? So, once again, you have the number, the opinion, the size, the shape, the age, the color, the origin, the material, and the pattern. Now, like I said before, it's very rare, if ever, will you use all of those adjectives in one sentence, right? Usually it's going to be something much more simple. Two big white plastic chairs. So, what do we have? Number, two, opinion, size. So we have the number, we have the size, we have the color, we have the material, and we have the pattern, the chairs. Okay, so we've eliminated two big white plastic chairs. We've eliminated opinion, right? We've eliminated shape, we've eliminated age, and we've eliminated origin. So that's usually it. I think when we put up the announcement, we had something like is it a white big dog or a big white dog? You know, how do you describe the dog? White big or big white? So again, you have size, and then where's the color? Right? So size and then color. Big white dog, or a big black dog, or a big gray dog, whatever it is, or a small brown dog. All right. So, can you do to see again the first? The first example. A pair of beautiful, small, round, new blue Murano glass earrings. Okay, so the order of adjectives, once again, a pair is the number two, a couple, a pair. So we have the number, then we have the opinion, beautiful. We have the size, small. We have the shape, round. We have the age, new. We have the color, blue. The origin, Murano. The material, glass. and a pattern, earrings. Okay? Number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, pattern. Number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, pattern. Okay? So, hey, what's up? It's good to see you. Good to see you. All right. So, look around you. Is there something in the room, on the table? Is there something around you that you could look at, something that you could describe? Okay. So, let me see if I can find something here. So, here we go. Just to improvise, right? How would I describe these pens? Okay. It's a couple of opinion, a couple of strange, size, normal sized, shape, long, age, old, they aren't new, color, blue, material, plastic, pattern, pens. Okay? A couple of strange, small, long-shaped, old, blue, plastic pens. Right? Now, you wouldn't normally say all that. Just looking at the pens, you say 2 blue pens. Right? Number, color, pattern, 2 blue pens. Easy as that. All right? So, take a look around you, find something, and try to describe it using the order of adjectives. Once again, you don't have to use all of them. Chances are you won't have to. But if there's more than one adjective, this is the suggested order. This is the suggested order. It won't always apply. Okay? Sometimes some people might switch it around. The best thing to do is just go with the sound. Right? That's why it's really good to have somebody like a mother tongue speaker, to listen to, or to watch movies and shows in the original language, just so you can learn the sound. Because some people might say something with a different order of adjectives, and you might say, well, that's wrong. That's not the suggested order of adjectives. Well, it might sound better, right? And it might be something that a mother tongue speaker is used to hearing, even if it's not in the suggested order. So, it's really important to learn the sound, how the words sound together, right? But that is the suggested order. Once again, it's not a rule that is concrete. It's not like you have to follow it 100% of the time. It's a suggestion. It's the suggested order of adjectives. All right. I'm actually 10 minutes late for my lesson, so I'm gonna have to get off of here. I'm really sorry. I was hoping to be on here a little bit longer with everybody and to build up an audience, but we had some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna have to run. All right. Thank you to everybody who's watching. Morgan, I love you. All right. Eula, if you're still watching, I love you. All my friends and family, I love y'all, all right? Holla at me. Peace out.